Hey y'all, this is Chef Shay. We're doing mac and cheese today. Stay tuned.
Okay y'all, so now we're gonna get ready to make our cheese sauce. We're gonna use 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of flour, and we're gonna stir all that together to make a thickening agent, our roux. Then we're gonna season our roux with salt, pepper, divine cuisine, sugar, spice, one teaspoon rather. Then we're gonna go ahead and do our milk, which is gonna be half and half and whole milk mixed together, which is 1/3. So you're gonna stir that together. You see how it's getting thicker. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your cheeses. The cheeses we're using is the sharp cheese, the Colby cheese, and the cream cheese, about 1/4 cup of cream cheese. You're stirring that together. You see how thick and cheesy it's getting. Now we're gonna go ahead and pour our noodles into this cheese sauce. After you've gotten your noodles in there, you're gonna put it in your baking dish, and you're gonna let that bake with the cheese on top.